Creating an inventory list will allow you to specify multiple inventory items on a single list that you can pull from inventory to either move or issue out. To begin creating a list, you can start by either coming up to the lifecycle and choosing the list icon, or by selecting the list/orders folder in the folder tree and choosing stock list, or finally by simply clicking the list icon that's located in the lifecycle. Once in the stock list screen, you can click the New button in the top right, and at that point you can assign a list code by either activating a barcode generator that will sit just to the right of the list code text box, and that will provide sequential numbers for each new list, or you can manually type that list code in. And once you have the list code in, simply specify a name for the list. And now that can be the same thing as the list code, or it can be a name specific to this list. Once you've created the list code as well as the list name, at that point you can populate the individual items or members on this list. To do so, you can click in the members area here and either type in the inventory number and have it auto-populate so you can select it from the list. And once you've selected it, you'll need to specify the quantities that you're going to pull for this list. The other way to add an item to the list is by clicking on the drop-down menu, scrolling through a list of available items, and choosing the item that you'll need directly from the list. Again, once you've done that, specify the quantity that you'll need to add to this list. Finally, you can also click the magnifying glass, and that will allow you to search through the inventory by either, again, scrolling through the list, or you can specify an inventory number and do a search for that item. Once you find it, select the checkbox, and then click the Select and Return button. And again, once you've selected the item, you'll need to specify the quantities that you're going to add to this list. Once you have all the list members as well as the quantities added, click Save, and we can see below it's generated the new list, and we see above the stock items, the descriptions, and the quantities of each that have been added to this list.